Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to take blur picture in your Vivo Y15. So let's take a look how to do that. We all know in Vivo Y15 you can easily take a picture, blur the background. So for example, if I'm going to take a picture in this place, I'm going to take a picture and now you can see this is nothing is blurring. So it's kind of annoying. You might want to enable blur picture in your Vivo Y15. So for example, I want to take a picture for this. This is the flower and I want to take a picture blur. So in order to do that, you need to click this upper side. This is the focus icon which is saying live photo. Now I am going to take a picture, this one. You can see I had take a picture and that is the background is perfectly blurred and the subject is appear. So this is a simple way you can take a picture. So if you want to enable any picture the blur system, so you have to click this. If you click that, that is going to be enable the blur. You can see I had just now enable. If I'm going to take a picture, it's going to be blur the background, the subject is going to appear. So this is how you can easily take a picture in your Vivo Y15 blur. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.